Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best turkey brining is probably one of the most crucial steps in achieving a moist, flavorful, and tender Thanksgiving turkey, transforming a potentially dry bird into a culinary masterpiece that will impress your guests and elevate your holiday feast to new heights of deliciousness, ensuring every bite is a succulent delight. Number 5. Turkey Brining Bag Set of 2. Introducing our set of 2 extra-large turkey brining bags. They are designed to hold turkeys up to 38 pounds, ensuring a perfect brine every time. Each bag measures a spacious 25.5 by 21.5 inches, providing ample room for even the largest poultry. Say goodbye to struggling with small bags. Crafted from heavy-duty material, these bags are built to last. The gusseted bottom and double-track zippers guarantee no leaks, keeping your kitchen clean. Using them is incredibly simple. Just place your turkey inside, add your brine, and seal. You'll achieve incredibly moist and flavorful results with minimal effort. These bags are your secret weapon for a perfectly brined turkey. Enjoy a juicier, more tender bird for your holiday feasts and special occasions. What we like. This option is perfect for those hosting large gatherings. If you're cooking for a crowd and need to accommodate a truly massive bird, its extra-large capacity is a game-changer. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle the weight without any issues. What people say. It is large enough for my 22 pounds turkey and all the brining ingredients. There is a double zip closure that prevents leaking. I have never had it leak. The bag is very durable for the several gallons of brine we poured in. Number 4. Fire and Flavor Turkey Perfect Herb Brine Kit. Achieve your best tasting turkey with our simple 5-step kit. It ensures excellent flavor, keeping your bird moist and tender. Enjoy the classic combination of herbs and spices that will impress any guest. Maximize flavor with minimal fuss. This kit includes everything you need, from the brine mix and a large brining bag to detailed instructions and recipes. It's suitable for birds up to 25 pounds and works perfectly whether you roast, grill, smoke, or fry your turkey. Our gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher brine mix is designed for naturally delicious results. It's a truly unique cooking solution. We are passionate about creating convenient and delicious cooking solutions. We help you achieve mouth-watering results every time. What we like. For those who prioritize natural ingredients and classic flavors, this kit is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution to achieve a delicious, traditional turkey taste with minimal fuss, this is the one for you. What people say. The brining bag is large enough to hold a 20-pound turkey. The bag is made of durable material that does not leak. The bag is easy to use and clean. Number 3. San Francisco Salt Company Organic Turkey Brine Kit. Discover the secret to a perfectly seasoned and incredibly moist turkey. This kit provides an exceptional blend of organic herbs and spices. Crafted with certified organic garlic and rosemary, this seasoning infuses your poultry with rich, savory flavors. It's a simple way to achieve gourmet results. The kit comes complete with a BPA-free brine bag, ensuring safe and easy preparation. Say goodbye to messy marinating and hello to effortless brining. Whether you're smoking, roasting, or preparing a whole bird, this blend is your go-to seasoning. It enhances the natural taste of any poultry preparation. Enjoy peace of mind with our certified organic and kosher seasoning. We prioritize quality and purity in every ingredient we use. Achieve a delicious, tender, and flavorful turkey with minimal effort. This kit makes gourmet cooking accessible for everyone. What we like. If you appreciate organic and high-quality ingredients, this kit is ideal. For those who love the savory combination of garlic and rosemary and want to ensure their brine is free from harmful chemicals, this is a top contender. What people say. The brining bag is large enough to hold a 20-pound turkey. The bag is made of durable material that does not leak. The bag comes with a twist tie to secure the turkey. Number 2. Aromasong 100% Natural Turkey Brine, Herbs de Provence. Discover the secret to a perfectly moist and flavorful turkey. This 100% natural brine, infused with herbs de Provence, elevates your holiday roast. Achieve succulent results whether you prefer wet or dry brining. It's designed for simplicity, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. Ideal for whole turkeys, smoked birds, oven-roasted feasts, or crispy fried creations. This versatile seasoning enhances any cooking method. Crafted with only the finest natural ingredients, this brine guarantees exceptional taste without artificial additives. You can trust its wholesome quality. Experience the difference of a product made with care and expertise right here in the USA. Enjoy superior flavor and quality. What we like. This option is fantastic for those who enjoy a more complex, aromatic flavor profile. If you're looking for a generous amount of brine to ensure deep flavor penetration for various cooking methods, and prefer products made domestically, consider this. What people say. This brining bag is large enough to hold a 20-pound turkey. The bag is made of durable material that does not leak. It is easy to use and clean. Number 1. Brining Bag, 26x22, 2-pack, extra large turkey brine bag. Introducing our extra large brining bags, designed to make your cooking experience easier and more delicious. These bags are perfect for all your roasting needs. Our innovative double-track zipper system ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and spills. With included strings and clips, you get double protection for worry-free brining. Crafted from heavy-duty, BPA-free material, these bags are thicker and more robust than others on the market. They are built to withstand the weight of your food and liquids without tearing. These extra-large bags can hold up to 35 pounds, perfect for Thanksgiving turkeys or large roasts. The widened bottom provides even more space for your culinary creations. Say goodbye to messy kitchens. Simply place your food inside, add your brine, seal with the included clasps and strings, and let the bag do the work. Beyond turkey, these versatile bags are ideal for marinating shrimp, beef, pork, and more. Elevate any meal with perfectly seasoned meats. What we like. This product is designed for maximum durability and leak prevention. If you've had issues with bags tearing or leaking in the past, or if you plan to brine items other than turkey, its robust construction and versatile application make it a reliable choice. What people say. The brining bag was large enough to hold a 14-pound turkey. The bag was sturdy and did not leak during the brining process. The included instructions were clear and easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.